Okay, today we will learn how to schedule a Prometric exam. So just go on this website and click schedule, then click next. Here, read all this information, scroll downward, tick all these points. Here, clicking means that you are accepting all the conditions given above. Then click next. Feed in the eligibility ID number and the last name 4 characters. Here the window will show you the dates for this year you can apply for. Click next and then feed the address here. You don't have to fill complete address, just write the name of the city and it will appear. Like if it's Jeddah, write Jeddah, it will appear Medina or Makkah, whatever, Riyadh. Just write the name and it will appear in the drop down menu. Then you have to select the dates which are easy for you to access to appear for the exam. Then feed this captcha and click next. Here it will show the nearest center around you and you can select from those centers. Also it will show the dates which are available and the time also. So near Makkah there is Jeddah and Taif, so it's showing Taif Women Center, Taif Men also, and Jeddah is acceptable for both of the gender. So here I selected 12 and time is only available 8:30 a.m. So I have selected this and click next. Time will appear on the above and you have to complete it in 15 minutes. Just read all this information, accept the conditions and then click next. If you start reading all this information, then 15 minutes will be passed and you have to fill it again. Click next. So from here you have to fill all your information, your first given name, middle name, last name, state address. You can feed address of your country also, and if you want to fill the address of here where you are living, you can fill that address as well. So I have filled the address of Pakistan, and then you have to click next. Here it will show you appointment details and exam fees, which is $289. Convert it into real and you will have to pay for that. You have to continue for the payment. So in payment section you can select Visa and then feed the credit card information and accept. After your payment is credited, the voucher will appear and you will get the appointment summary form. Your appointment is confirmed and you can print that information and keep it with you to appear for the exam. If you still have difficulty in booking exam, then you can contact me on my number given below. Thank you.